Thank you, Madam Chair, Majority Floor Leader, members of this august body. Item G3, GO3 is a chairman's report of the Committee on Markets and Slaughterhouse. Item G3 is refers to the first endorsement dated October 27 of City Mayor Raisa S. Tanyas to the Honorable Chairperson members of the Sangguniang Panlungsod, Iloilo City. This is with respect to the letter request of Ms. Maricel Bacquiao, Government Head 2 of the Local Economic Enterprise, for the granting of Omnibus Authority to sign the contract of lease for all markets. So, Madam Chair, if I may, I'd like to read the salient points of the Chairman's report. The City Council has already passed a resolution granting Omnibus Authority to the Local Economic Enterprise Officer, but the same was only for the 3 markets and did not include the other markets. Hence, this request, Madam Chair. So the consultative meeting was conducted, and in attendance were Ms. Maricel Bacquiao and the City Legal Officer, Attorney Joseph Arenio. And during the meeting, the City Legal Officer recommended or stated that on paragraph 4 of the whereas to include the phrase after agreements and to strictly enforce the terms and conditions of the lease, and after the word opening of the different newly constructed markets under the Iloilo City government. And on paragraph 5, Ms. Maricel Bacquiao was able to say that the approximate number of vendors will reach approximately 5,000. Hence, also the correction on the previous resolution, Madam Chair. So the chairman recommend that the resolution by the City Council, resolution number 2025-933, should be amended to include the phrase recommended by the City Legal Officer and to include all other public markets, Madam Chair. So before the adoption of the report, the chairman is now open for any comments, suggestions, or clarifications with regards to the chairman's report, Madam Chair.
The floor is now open. Deliberation. Yes, Councilor Akat, you have the floor.
I have no, really, I really understand what Councilor Prab. I just want to check siguro ang clerical error lang ng ito kalaway man e-pormahan na ito. Contract of lease. See that? L-A-S-E. So, wrong spelling. No? So, what is... So,
You are referring to the end of pay, Councilor?
sa agenda natin.
Okay.
So that will be clarified and then
Yes.
formally approved.
Yes, but sa iya nga report ang aton nga
Well, anyway, Madam Chair, Malabor is talking about.
Yes.
And I agree with that proposal. Thank you.
Thank you.
Co-sponsor.
You turned it off, Councilor. On.
Madam Chair, if there are no more questions on the chairman's report, move to adopt the chairman's report. So move.
It's been moved and seconded. Here, motion is carried.
Madam Chair, corollary, may I move to pass a resolution amending resolution number 2025-933, granting omnibus authority to Ms. Maricel Mabacquiao, City Government Department Head 2 of the Local Economic Enterprise Office, to sign for and in behalf of the City Mayor representing the Iloilo City Government the contracts of lease adjudicated applicants for the new Iloilo Terminal Market, new Iloilo Central Market, and to include the new Haro Big Market, new La Paz Market, new Arevalo Public Market, Haro Small Market, and the new Mandaluyong Market. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried. Co-sponsored by Councilor Acap, Trenias, Young. Thank
Madam
you.
Chair, may I proceed to item G4?
Please proceed.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Item G4 is a first endorsement dated October 28, 2025 of City Mayor Raisa S. Trenias to the Honorable Chairperson and members of the Sangguniang Lungsod, Iloilo City, the Memorandum of Understanding to be entered into by and between the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development, represented by its Secretary Engineer Jose Aliling, and the City Government of Iloilo, represented by City Mayor, relative to the development, implementation, and technical assistance on the planned city extension of Iloilo City, with a request for a resolution of authority to enter and sign the said Memorandum of Understanding. Madam Chair, if I may, I'd like to read the salient point of the Chairman's report.
Please proceed.
A consultative meeting was conducted and in attendance were the Iloilo City Local Housing Office Head, Attorney Peter Jason Milyari, and City Legal Officer, Attorney Joseph Edward Arenio. In the meeting, Attorney Milyari stated that the Iloilo City is one of the LGUs selected by the DSUD ELUP-DB to be provided with technical assistance on the formulation of the city's plan extension, conceptual and implementation plan based on a set of criteria which include the city's housing need, institutional capacity and readiness, catalysts for development in the sale and presence of supporting related plans on planned unit development. The MOU, Madam Chair, is a pro forma from the national government or from the DSUD, and the same is not contrary to any existing laws, ordinances, or regulations, and is not disadvantageous to the city government and within the powers of the Sangguniang Panlungsod. So the chairman recommend that the MOU be passed with the recommendation of Attorney Joseph Arenio to include for a while, Madam Chair.
Ang phrase. Sa committee report, Councilor.
Yes, Madam Chair, for a while.
Before findings.
Yes, Madam Chair. Under Section 4A, the City Legal Officer recommended that a phrase after the statement update its CLUP and zoning ordinance following plan guidelines, policies, and standards of DSUD to to include the phrase "for as long as it is geared towards the direction on the improvement of the city of Iloilo." The city legal officer feels that this phrase should be included so as not to make it mandatory for the city government to follow the whatever guidelines and policies these should will provide, Madam Chair. So, with that, Madam Chair, before the adoption of the committee of the chairman's report, this representation is open for any clarification or comments from the floor. If there are none, Madam Chair, may I move